Hello guys, welcome to HR Tender. This is Claire. Today I'm glad to introduce our beautiful AM system with the ABS material. Today I would like to show how to connect the one set. Follow me. This is the master board, support computer debugging to connect here with the computer. Now this is the cable to plug here. This is the master and the slave antenna cable to plug the slave board. This is the power cable to plug here. Now we will get power on. For this antenna, the light color is blue. While it announces, the light color is red. For this beautiful AM system, I strongly recommend it to your shopping malls and clothes store. If you have any interest for this or for this, welcome to contact with Claire. Have a nice day. Bye bye.